Sweet potatoes kidney friendly? The deep orange hue of sweet potatoes invites us to enjoy their natural sweetness. But for those managing chronic kidney disease or CKD, it's important to understand how they fit into the diet. Sweet potatoes are nutrient dense, packed with antioxidants, and contain vitamins A and C, folic acid, and a variety of minerals like magnesium, manganese, copper, iron, and calcium. These nutrients support overall health and immune function, but for individuals with kidney issues, the potassium content of sweet potatoes is a key consideration. Potassium is an essential mineral, but in higher amounts, it can be harmful for those with impaired kidney function, potentially leading to dangerous imbalances. For individuals in different stages of CKD or those on dialysis, managing potassium intake is crucial, and sweet potatoes are relatively high in potassium. However, there are ways to enjoy them safely by controlling portion sizes and preparation methods. It's always advisable to consult a dietitian to determine how sweet potatoes fit into a personalized kidney-friendly diet. By understanding both the risks and benefits, sweet potatoes can still have a place in a kidney-friendly meal plan, offering flavor and nutrition when consumed mindfully. Nutritional benefits. Sweet potatoes offer significant nutritional benefits, especially for those managing kidney disease. They are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including beta-carotene, vitamin C, and dietary fiber, all of which contribute to overall health. Beta-carotene, an antioxidant, helps protect cells from oxidative damage and support eye health, while vitamin C boosts the immune system and enhances the body's ability to fight illnesses. Dietary fiber aids in digestion and helps regulate cholesterol levels, making it an important component for heart health. Together, these nutrients play a crucial role in promoting better cardiac function, which is essential for anyone looking after their kidney health in the long term. In addition to their heart-healthy benefits, sweet potatoes also offer anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation, which is often a concern for people with kidney disease. By regularly incorporating sweet potatoes into a kidney-friendly meal plan, individuals can enjoy a nutrient-rich food that not only supports kidney function, but also helps maintain a balanced diet without compromising on flavor or texture. So why not give this power food a try? It could make a significant difference in managing your condition, helping you live life more fully and healthily. Nutrition information about sweet potatoes. They are packed with essential nutrients that can benefit individuals with kidney disease, including vitamin C, B6, and E. While they should not replace other dietary sources for kidney disease, they can provide additional nutrition to complement a healthy diet. Compared to regular potatoes, sweet potatoes are lower in calories, sodium, and phosphorus, making them a better option for those managing kidney health. However, their high potassium content, which can reach up to 700 milligrams per serving, makes them a food that should be eaten with caution. For patients with chronic kidney disease or CKD, especially in advanced stages, potassium can be difficult to manage, and excessive intake may lead to serious complications such as irregular heartbeats or even a heart attack. It is generally safe for CKD patients to eat sweet potatoes in moderation, provided their registered dietitian approves it. Consuming no more than 1/2 cup per day is often recommended for most kidney disease patients to help limit potassium intake. When consumed in small amounts, sweet potatoes can provide various health benefits, such as improving digestion, lowering blood sugar levels, and supporting healthy cholesterol levels. These benefits, combined with their rich nutrient profile, can help improve overall well-being when incorporated into a kidney-friendly meal plan under medical supervision. Preparing sweet potatoes for a kidney-friendly diet is simple and allows for a variety of cooking methods that can help reduce their potassium content. Boiling and steaming are two of the best methods, as boiling causes some potassium to leach out into the water, making it easier to control intake. To boil sweet potatoes, peel and cube them, then cook in boiling water until soft. Steaming also works well. Just peel and cube the sweet potatoes, then steam them over boiling water for about 10 minutes or until tender. These methods help keep the potassium content lower, making them safer from managing kidney disease. If you're looking to add more variety to your meals, roasting and grilling are delicious options that preserve the flavor without compromising the nutritional benefits. For roasting, preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, toss peeled and cubed sweet potatoes with olive oil, and roast for 15 to 20 minutes until they're golden and soft. Grilling offers a unique and tasty alternative. Simply brush cubed sweet potatoes with olive oil and grill over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes on each side until tender. Make sure you make them big enough squares to not fall through the grates. These easy cooking methods can help you enjoy sweet potatoes while managing potassium intake, ensuring you get the health benefits without exceeding safe levels for kidney health. And remember, not everybody has to watch potassium. Alternatives for the diet: other kidney-friendly vegetable options include cauliflower, squash, turnips, rutabaga, parsnips, and carrots. Each of these vegetables provides its own unique flavor and health benefits that can be beneficial for those managing kidney disease. By exploring different vegetables, you can find the right alternative to sweet potatoes that help meet your dietary needs without sacrificing taste or nutrition. So next time you ask, are sweet potatoes kidney friendly? Remember that there are many other delicious and nutritious options to explore, and your kidneys will thank you for it. I personally think a variety of foods is very important on a kidney diet. So eating sweet potatoes on a kidney diet, they can be enjoyed with a few key guidelines to ensure your safety. If you're watching potassium, because they are high in potassium, it's important to limit their consumption, especially for you if you have CKD or other conditions that affect your potassium levels. To reduce potassium intake, you can enjoy sweet potatoes in moderation, no more than 1 serving per week. For those who still want to include sweet potatoes in their diet, leaching potassium is an effective method. To do so, peel and slice the potatoes into 1/4 inch thick slices and then soak them in cold water for at least 2 hours, changing the water every 4 hours if you soak them that long as needed. After soaking, rinse them with warm water and cook them with 5 times as much water as the amount of sweet potato to further reduce potassium content. Are yams good for kidney disease patients? Yams, much like sweet potatoes, can offer nutritional benefits, but must be consumed carefully by individuals with chronic kidney disease due to them also having a high potassium content. Potassium can be a concern for kidney patients, especially as the kidney's ability to filter excess minerals becomes impaired. For those in the early stages of CKD or under the guidance of a healthcare provider, small portions of yams may be safely included in the diet. However, it's important to watch your portion size and monitor how your body reacts to ensure potassium levels remain in the safe range. To further reduce the potassium content in yams, certain cooking methods can be beneficial, like boiling yams or using a potassium-leaching technique, such as soaking them in water before cooking, can help draw out some of the excess potassium, like we already talked about. Consulting with a registered dietitian is key to developing a tailored approach for incorporating yams into your kidney-friendly meal plan. They can help determine the appropriate portion sizes and cooking methods based on your individual dietary needs, ensuring that yams can be enjoyed safely without compromising kidney health. What is the difference between sweet potatoes and yams? Because I think people use them interchangeably sometimes. Sweet potatoes and yams are often confused due to their similar appearance, but they are distinct in several ways. Sweet potatoes tend to have a softer texture and a sweeter flavor. They come in a range of colors, including orange, white, and purple. They are rich in beta-carotene, which is a precursor to vitamin A, and they have moderate levels of potassium. This makes them a nutritious choice for many, including those with kidney disease, as long as their potassium intake is monitored and portioned appropriately. Yams, on the other hand, are starchier, less sweet, and typically have rough brown skin. They contain higher amounts of carbohydrates and potassium, which can pose a challenge for individuals with CKD, especially if not prepared carefully. Yams require more attention to cooking methods, such as leaching or boiling, to reduce their potassium content. Understanding the differences between sweet potatoes and yams is crucial for making your informed dietary choices. You need to know what you're eating and ensure that you're consuming foods that meet your nutritional needs without compromising your kidney function. Eating sweet potatoes can be a healthy addition to a kidney-friendly diet, offering an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They are rich in antioxidants. Sweet potatoes may help reduce inflammation, which is beneficial for those managing kidney disease. They are also lower in potassium compared to other starchy vegetables like white potatoes, making them a good option for individuals on dialysis or those monitoring their sodium and potassium intake. With a variety of cooking methods such as boiling, steaming, baking, or frying, sweet potatoes can be easily incorporated into meals, providing both nutrition and flavor. However, it's important to approach sweet potatoes with caution, especially for those with kidney issues. Portion control is essential, as consuming too much can lead to an increase in blood potassium levels, which can be dangerous for those with impaired kidney function. Additionally, potential interactions with medications should be considered before adding sweet potatoes to the diet. It's always wise to consult with a doctor or nutritionist or dietitian to determine the right amount of potassium and other dietary factors when including sweet potatoes in a kidney-friendly diet. By being mindful of these considerations, sweet potatoes can be a beneficial, nutrient-dense food for people with kidney concerns. Thanks for joining me today.